As per our ongoing SUSHISWAP cost expectation, the worth of SUSHISWAP will expanded by 217.48%, coming to $2.24 by end of 2025, which is genuinely critical. All specialized pointers especially show that the ongoing opinion is unbiased, while the trepidation and ravenousness list is perusing 16.42, and that implies intense trepidation in a significant manner. Our SUSHISWAP estimate, it's especially holds SUSHISWAP this moment, which is very critical. On September 20th, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall unbiased opinion among SUSHISWAP cost forecasts. See the specific SUSHISWAP cost expectation underneath. You will truly know the amount SUSHISWAP is worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they thought. Over the sort of most recent 30 days, SUSHISWAP really has expanded by 6.46%, or so they sort of thought. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a truly slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they especially thought. Toward the finish of September, the worth of SUSHISWAP expanded by 111.98%. And came to approach around $1.30. At present, all pointers are demonstrating nonpartisan zone, and the apprehension and eagerness list shows 16.42 intense feelings of trepidation. As indicated by our gauge, this basically isn't the perfect opportunity to hold SUSHISWAP. Presently, SUSHISWAP is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving normal. For the especially most recent 326 days, since December 31st, 2023, SMA truly has shown a SUSHISWAP holding signal, or so they explicitly thought. The cost of SUSHISWAP is presently running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal in an unobtrusive manner. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 83 cents. Toward the finish of December, in a by and large significant manner. By December 2023-2024, SUSHISWAP's certainly transient 50-day SMA shows a 63 cent in a kind of large manner. The overall strength file, RSI, force oscillator for the most part is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unobtrusive way. RSI is as of now at Ursivalu in an unpretentious manner. This demonstrates that the sushi market is in an impartial position. SUSHISWAP value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, SUSHISWAP came to $1.40 when it in every way that really matters, dipped under 92 cents interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, SUSHISWAP sort of is en route to passing the $1.35 mark before the current year is over. Before $1.35, it might break its characteristic of $23.38 and generally reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, SUSHISWAP will especially break its past all-time especially high of $23.38 and explicitly hold somewhere in the range of $1.24. And $1.35 soon, in a truly significant manner. At this point, on 20 September 2023, SUSHISWAP most certainly is exchanging at 61 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume by and large is around 11.21 M, and it makes number 163 money in the entire crypto world, which basically is very critical. SUSHISWAP value forecast 2024. There is plausible that SUSHISWAP can get through the $1.57 boundary and fundamentally hold the market toward the finish of 2024. B, especially the least SUSHISWAP cost, will basically be between $1.32 to $1.57, and the most probable SUSHISWAP cost will be truly consistent at around $1.48. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite SUSHISWAP's wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its earth disagreeable energy use, extremely rich person adventure essentially entrepreneur Tim Draper especially, is adhering to his expectation that SUSHISWAP will reach $1.57. Toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, SUSHISWAP value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that sushi will begin the year at $1.81 and exchange around $2.24. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This, in every practical sense, is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. SUSHISWAP Value Forecast 2026. There is a kind of good possibility that SUSHISWAP 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $2.80 level. SUSHISWAP is basically anticipated to arrive at an untouched sort of high of $2.62 or $2.80 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of SUSHISWAP, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. SUSHISWAP Value Forecast 2027. SUSHISWAP Value Expectation, or SUSHI, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly certainly accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, SUSHISWAP's cost certainly is supposed to outperform $2.80 in 2027. It has been explicitly anticipated that SUSHISWAP will arrive at the most extreme cost of $2.80, and the base cost is supposed to be around $2.36 in the following a long time from 2027. SUSHISWAP Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists most certainly foresee say that SUSHISWAP Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, SUSHISWAP is supposed to cross a value level of $3.18 in 2028. In the meantime, SUSHISWAP most certainly is supposed to arrive at least cost of $2.92 this year, which truly is very huge. The really greatest cost might reach $3.34. SUSHISWAP Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the SUSHISWAP Value Expectation and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of SUSHISWAP will reach $4.54, and the cost of sushi ought to reach $4.54 before the year's over. Likewise, sushi can reach up to $4.15 in value, which is very critical. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for SUSHISWAP development, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. SUSHISWAP Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, SUSHISWAP Value Forecast basically are supposed to generally cross the $6.27 normal cost level, as per SUSHISWAP conjecture and specialized examination. Incredibly, toward the finish of 2030, SUSHISWAP's truly least cost is supposed to be $5.99. Moreover, sushi can arrive at a greatest value level of $6.46, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2030, SUSHISWAP will have a genuinely normal cost of $6.46 in an especially enormous manner. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. SUSHISWAP Value